Yo, I see you, JC. I see you. Chill, Scratch.
Why you seeing me, nigga? Why you
Yo, nigga, why you hiding in fucking group, nigga?
Nigga, like, come on now.
Little homie. Hey, little Kevin, man. Little Kevin. Fall back, man. Don't my dick.
Yo, nigga, shut the fuck up, nigga. I made your ass leave fucking LTH, your bitch ass, nigga. Fuck you talking about, pussy. Son, you not blood, nigga. You need to stop it, nigga. You got a fucking blue pop-up, my nigga. I don't know no blood niggas rocking blue pop-ups, my son. What you talking about, pussy? You a gay motherfucker, nigga. That shit's on fucking Facebook, you pussy ass nigga. Shut your bitch ass up, dude. Son, I don't know what you doing in real life, nigga. You probably rocking the blue flag for real, nigga. Fuck out of here, nigga. You pussy, son. Yo, my G, you can't even show me money, you broke ass nigga. How many times I told y'all bitch ass niggas to cam up and show me something, broke ass nigga? Y'all niggas whole broke, nigga. Fuck out of here, pussy. Yo, Sneaky, shut the fuck up. You not about that life anyway, my nigga. Yo, son, what happened to that 2 weeks you was supposed to come down here, nigga? What happened to 2 weeks you supposed to come down here, nigga? You supposed to come to North Carolina, you about that life. What happened? Oh, hold up. Nigga, you were supposed to be locked up, nigga. What happened? You supposed to be going to prison. What happened, nigga? You ain't going to prison yet, nigga? You fraud ass, nigga. Fraud ass, shut the fuck up with the lying ass, nigga. You lying, nigga. What you saying, nigga? You pussy, son. And you know that, nigga. Come on, man. You not getting no money. You not going to jail, so you need to stop lying, nigga. You not about that life either, nigga. So stop it, nigga. Alright, nigga? Come on, man. I can't take you serious right now. You got a blue pop-up, but you a hardcore blood nigga. But you a hardcore blood nigga, right? But you got a blue pop-up. Shut the fuck up, nigga. You not real, nigga. Stop it, nigga. You front on the fucking PlayStation right now, nigga. You a broke-ass blood nigga. That's what you are, nigga. Yo, son, you a broke-ass blood nigga. I don't know no blood niggas don't get money. What is you talking about? Sneaky, shut the fuck up with that shit, nigga. Son, you not about that life. Stop saying that shit.
Stop it. And I've seen your pictures inside your crib, Kevin. I've seen you with that old ass day.
Yo, son, that's all you want. You want to say my name? You want to say my name? Yes, Kevin. So come out here. So come out here. My name is Kevin on the streets, boy. Yo, son, you need to stop, nigga, cause you not about that life. Why you keep shouting about that shit, nigga? You a broke ass blood nigga, son. How many times I told you to cam up? How many times I told you to cam up, my nigga? Come on, man. Come on, man. You talking about you a hardcore blood nigga, but look at your fucking pop up, nigga. But you blood, right? You blood, but you got blue pop up. But you a gangster, nigga. You gangster. You hardcore, nigga. You hardcore, nigga. Nigga about that life, but he got a blue pop-up. Come on, man. How am I supposed to take you serious? Oh, shit.
Hey, look how skinny that nigga James is shit too, dog. That nigga James, boy. This
nigga's a fucking geek, my nigga.
Oh, shit.
Like, I just want to spit real facts, though, my nigga.
Nigga, you ain't spitting no facts, nigga, because last time I talked to your bum ass, you passed the phone to a whole bunch of niggas at your house. You had your fucking grandfather vouch for your bum ass, nigga. And I made your bitch ass leave LTH, nigga. Come on, man.
I'ma text you my number, my nigga.
Nigga, I don't want your number.
And I want you to call your big homie.
Yo, son, I don't want your number. You not about that life, real. Yo, son, we been through this. We been through this, nigga. You so-called, nigga, you was on the mic so-called calling people from North Carolina. Get the fuck out of here, nigga. You falling like hell. Nigga, you not Billy. You not Billy Badass, so stop it, nigga. Stop it, nigga. You not that 5. You not 9 Tech. You nobody. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. BBA, what the fuck is you talking about, nigga? How you blood? Come on. Yo, Sneaky, how you blood, nigga? Get the fuck out of here. Man, come on, man. You not, son, stop it. You not about that, my nigga. You not about that. You got a blue pop-up. You watch too much Gangland right now, nigga. Oh, shit. Son, you watch too much Gangland. Real talk, my nigga. I swear to God, you be watching that shit hard as hell, but like, yeah, now I'm blood, nigga. You know everything, huh? Come on, man.
My nigga real blood, nigga. Why would I... Nigga, why would I hang out with a fake blood, nigga? Come on,
Come on, man. We out on these streets, nigga. Yo, Sneaky. Look, come on, man. You said, son, you said 2 weeks you was coming down to North Carolina. Remember? 2 weeks you was coming down to North Carolina. Why the fuck you still on the PlayStation right now, nigga? And why the fuck I'm on the PlayStation? You supposed to kill me. You supposed to kill me, nigga. I'm not supposed to be on home.
I know you're not killing my nigga.
Come on, man.
Give you a simple one.
You a bitch ass nigga. Nigga, stop asking for some information, cause I'm not saying that shit, nigga. You not blood, nigga. Look at your pop-up color. I'm supposed to take you serious. Nigga, we been through this. Nigga. I told you who was my big homie. You didn't know who the fuck that was. You had to call a nigga, son. You had to call a nigga from North Carolina who knows my big homie. Then you were like, oh, I ain't know that. Get the fuck out of here, nigga, you lying ass fuck boy. Lying ass fuck boy. Get the fuck out of here. You not blood, man. Come on, stop it. Yo, Sneaky, stop it, nigga. You're done. You're not 9'3", so I mean, I don't know what to say, man. You a bitch and you not blood, so you gotta stop it, nigga. Hey, wait a minute, ain't you a gay ass nigga too? Ain't you gay, nigga? You like dudes, remember it's on Facebook or some shit. Come on, man, I bully you so hard, nigga, that you left LTH, nigga. How you shine by you about that life? Come on, man, you can't even show me money. I know real blood niggas can show me money. Come on, man. But you Billy Badass old. Come on, son. You not that, nigga. So stop it, nigga. You not about that life. I'm still breathing. I'm still around my homies every day. When I'm not on this PlayStation, I'm around my homies. So why my homies ain't beat my ass? Why my homies ain't kill me? Come on, man. You got connects. Remember? You got connects. Remember, nigga? You know everybody, nigga. Come on, man. Stop faking, my nigga. Stop faking that shit, pussy. Why Swag is a bitch ass nigga. He's a broke ass nigga like you. He get child support money from his girl. He's not a real man. Come on, son. Are you serious? Y'all niggas broke. Y'all niggas, son, cam the fuck up. Sneaky, cam the fuck up. Let's go. Yo, if you cam up and show me money, I will spit my blood off, nigga. I will give you my bloodline. If you show me money. Right now, I swear to God, I would do it, nigga. Let's cam up. Show me some money. You real blood, right? Show me some money. I will give you my blood off, nigga. Come on, man. Where this nigga go, yo? I would give this nigga my bloodline and all that. He wanted to spit some knowledge. Yo, can the fuck up, nigga. If he can show me money, I would do all that shit.
That nigga went into a motherfucking.
Look at this nigga. I'm recording this shit too. Hold up, man. Look, nigga, look. Oh, nigga hiding from me. Nigga is hiding.
Alright, hold on, they gonna be jumping you, nigga. Hold up.
Man, buzz. Look at this nigga right here. He hiding. Nigga not even in group. These niggas ain't fucking private chat.
Come to the other group, man. Come to the other group. Your mother put my son Swag in here. Come to the other group, please.
What other group, nigga? What other group? You in the group with us, pussy. You ain't even leave group. Yo, nigga not making no sense because he not leaving group. Nigga, come on, man.
Nigga, I ain't get no invite.
Yo, I'm about to make another part to y'all gonna see this shit, man. I'll be back.